All right, we have an unboxing video to do today. Look at this box. What would come in that big of a box? Look how small it is. Oh, so this is my watering mister for when I start seeds outside in a little greenhouse. Can't exactly hook that up to anything inside here at the inside the house. But this is what Justin Rhodes uses. Look up Justin Rhodes. This is what he uses. So go look him up on YouTube. He's full of information on anything you could ever want. How much did this cost? Can't remember. Excited to use it.